Hello friends, in this video we continue to talk about the CRODO project, and today's topic will be how to register for IDO CRODO step by step. Registration for the IDO began on April 16 and will last until May 16, given enough time to register. So let's figure out how to register. The first thing you need to do is go to the site, the Pool tab, click to the registration, below we can read about the project main purpose and benefits. We can look at tokenomics and the roadmap. You can stop the video and read more, but we move on to registration. Click on registration and go to the new. What you need to specify. The first is the full name. Next, specify the email address. We choose our country: Albania, Armenia, Pakistan, Norway, and others. You choose one. Next, then there are questions about the project that we have to answer. Be sure to read all the details about CRODO to make sure you are interested in a good and promising project. First questions: on which blockchain CRODO is built? The correct answer: Kronos. Click on it. The next question: what is ticker for CRODO token? It's simple. Choose CRODO. Let's move on. The third question is: what is the total supply of CRODO token? Choose the question: 100 million tokens CROD. Next, what are you receiving for staking? You're receiving for staking a gravity. I talked about staking in previous video. If you forgot, be sure to check it out. Next, what do you get after staking for 1 month strange? You'll receive the title of Ensign title. And the last questions: what do you need to do in order to get 6th tier? We need to have 5 shooting range and stake coins for another 1 year. We choose this answer. Click that you are not a robot and set your application. The next step is to get points that increase your chances of getting an allocation. What will be the tasks? For example, subscribe the social networks, retweet a post on Twitter, and more. 1 additional point is given for each task. That's all. I wish you to win the allocation and get CROD tokens. Everyone, to the next video.